took a wrong turn, but I don't know if I'm too sad about it. I'm on my long run. There's Pilot Butte. I don't really know where this goes, but if I backtrack, I'll probably have a really hard time getting all my miles in. So I think I'll just keep going. Find out where it goes. Okay, so I just finished my 6.5 mile run. It was supposed to be 7, but my little detour made it kind of hard to gauge the distance, and I kept going. But that last mile was so hard. And I don't know if I can see him back here. I don't have time seeing the screen, but this goose is following me. So there was a rabbit, a deer walking along the trail, which always spooks me. I love deer, they're really cool, but not when they're like a foot away from me. I just get nervous. But geese, I am scared of geese. They like are territorial, and this guy has followed me for like the last mile. He'll fly and then he'll watch me and make sure I don't get too close to the rudder. It's kind of weird, but overall my run was good. 12:30 pace, so I was hoping to keep it at 12 miles or less. But I had some hills that I was planning on it being flat, so I don't know if that should matter. I needed to just be used to that, so my run should have been 12 minutes, and it wasn't. But that's okay, because I haven't run this far in years, so that's kind of exciting. I was nervous about the run today, so I think overall it went really well. It's good. So now I'm going to hop into my car and go home and roll on my T-band, my left side. My shoes. I need different shoes. My heel hurts and my left IT band is like so tight right now. And I really just think it's my shoes, but maybe that's just the scapegoat and I have some other things I should change. We'll see. So Goose is not staring at me now, so that's good. And oh, there, I can see now. Nice river trail. All right, bye.